Fantom at the time of this recording is attempting a short-term bounce to the upside, attempting to break above a key area of resistance above the 0.6487, and all this is playing out after we saw a breakout out of a double top that we had seen here on the charts, which gave us a breakout move to the lower side, and its minimum target areas at the 0.6435 we have now fully maximized in a breakdown move that has now given us a low below the 0.5869. And on today's video I will be discussing the key scenarios that we can expect in the next coming hours, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need for registration is an email and a phone number to have an account. Jumping back to the charts, I want to start the video on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we first peaked in this 5-wave structure over here, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a pullback in a wave 2, peaked in the formation of these Elliot wave count 3, saw a pullback in a wave 4 before we finally peaked to the upside in the formation of these Elliot wave count 5 that gave us a high above the $0.8. And after we completed that 5-wave structure to the upside, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 on the charts in red. And after we completed the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, I have been expecting to see a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by pulling the fibs from the lows that we made on the 5th of August to the highs that we made above the $0.8, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the golden pocket between the $0.528 and the 0.4641, which is the area that I have marked on the charts using these yellow markings. And you can see that at the time of this recording we have seen a pullback to the lower side, and on touching the fib level 0.382 we saw a reaction over here in a move that is now giving us a bit of a short-term bounce to the upside. And the moment we manage to break above resistance above the 0.6425, there is a chance that we are going to see a short-term bounce to the upside in what could turn out to be a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2, where we can also expect to see an ABC corrective structure play out. So in case we manage to break above resistance, there's a chance that we are going to see a bit of a short-term bounce in our wave B before we can finally see one more new low in the formation of that wave C, fully maximizing our minimum target area over here. Then once we have a low in place for the second wave, I will be expecting to see a very impulsive movement to the upside in a 5-wave structure in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.